Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Balvin here with a song called Amigos. So, nice song there. I need to bring up here on Gordon Guitar. So, we're gonna look at that together. Let's place a capo here on the first fret. Much easier to handle this song with the capo on first. Let's go over the chords. So we have the E minor here. We have the open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D coming up there, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also have the D, F, so that comes right after the G chord. That's basically a D but with an F sharp in the bass. So what I do here, we just need pretty much the bass notes or strings for that one. So I just keep the bottom there. I don't have to do anything about it. I just recuperate my fingers to this position. So that gives me or us second on E, open A or muted A. You can use the finger here on the E string and just lean on top of the A, and that gets muted like this. And then open D, second G, and this is the important strings there. Like I said, I just keep them there resting on the B and the E string from the G chord, so that's not really needed for this song, or sorry, for this chord. Yeah, that's the D, F chord, and then we also have the B7. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the second fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, just 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add fourth on D and fourth on B. Alright, so let's learn the string pattern, a very common one for these kind of songs. So if you go to the E minor, grab that one string around will be down, up, clap, down. Alright, so down, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm goes. Alright, so let's take a look at the chord progression here. It will be the same almost. We have a slight variation there in the end, which you can use and switch it up with sometimes. But the main part will be E minor, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, then G, 1, and the D, F, 1. Alright, so that round goes. And the other ending here, everything starts in the same way, E minor, D, A minor. It starts in the same way with 2 string rounds there, but the second ending there is to replace the final G and D, F. We had 1 string rounds on both of these chords here. Replace these 2 chords with a B7, 2 string rounds instead. So the chord progression there will be E minor 2, D2, A minor 2, and B7 2, like this. Alright, so that one comes sometimes with the B7 ending there. If you listen to the song about 2 minutes and 35 seconds in, that is one example. Comes back a few times more than that, but that is the B7 ending. But the main ending is with the G and D, F, and you can play that from the beginning till the very end. Works perfectly fine there. Balvin, Amigos. This one was for you guys. I really appreciate all your feedback and your support. So hit me a like on this one. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time, play tuned.